can you come here? There's someone we want you to meet.
We're so glad you decided to stop by.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
I was meaning to visit and introduce myself, but I've just been so busy in my home office.
And you have a kid as well.
Here she is. You remember Mr. Peterson, don't you?
Our neighbor that your principal told us about.
Hello, Trinity. You can call me Theo. I made something for your family. A welcome.
Goggles! What great decorating skills. Unfortunately, Trinity can't have sugar.
Because you're already so sweet.
It is so nice to finally meet you. Please, come in.
Mom, what? What a great idea!